In this video, we're going to review blade change for the Slice mini cutters, both the 10514 auto retract and the 10515 manual retract. Today we're talking about the Slice mini cutters, one of our best-selling products. It comes in a 10514 auto retract or a 10515 manual retract. By default, it ships with our 10404 rounded tip blade, but we also have the option for a 10408 pointed tip blade because certain applications require a pointed tip. Let's take a look at the auto retract feature versus the manual retract feature first. Manual retract, as the name suggests, the manual retract requires you to manually move the blade back and forth into closure position. And the auto retract, the 10514, automatically pulls the blade back into the housing when you let go of the slider button. This is an added feature for safety. We always suggest, whenever possible, use the auto retract. It's a much safer version than any manual. However, some people do prefer a manual. We make all of our tools in manual and auto retract. This product could also be configured for left-handed use. By default, it ships for right-handed use, but it's very easy to change it to left-handed use, which I'm going to show you right now while we look at blade change. Let's talk about blade change. Using our 10404 rounded tip blade or 10408 pointed tip blade, whether you're configuring it for left-handed or right-handed, the blade change is the same. It's very simple. The only thing you need to make sure of is that the blade is retracted before you attempt blade change. For the auto retract, the 10514, it's always retracted when you're not using it. But for the manual version, you'll need to make sure that you slide the slider button back so the blade itself is in the housing before you attempt blade change. For both models, you simply flip it to the back side and you'll see some icons on the back of the product, a locked icon and an unlocked icon. Move this little button to the unlocked position and then separate the two halves to reveal the blade, just like this. It's currently set up for right-handed use. In order to configure it for left-handed use, take the blade out and put it in the other cavity, just like that. And then it's configured for left-handed use. I'm a righty, so I'm going to leave it in the right-handed position and flip the blade to the other side to get more use of the other pointed end. All you do is take the top, slide it back onto the housing. You'll hear a snap when you push it together, and you'll need to slide the slider button to the lock position, just like this. And then you're back in business. Thank you for watching this video. If you have ideas for new videos or if you want to comment about how you've used our tools, we'd love to hear from you. Please leave comments below or email us.